Kensington is one of our most established communities in a peaceful and tranquil setting in Red Lion, Pennsylvania. Located in the heart of York County, it is just minutes from I-83 and Route 30 for seamless commutability into Lancaster and Maryland. Kensington offers a brand new phase of home sites for future homeowners surrounded by trees and views of the rolling hills of Red Lion while located just minutes from local schools. Just a few miles from York, enjoy a variety of local breweries, restaurants, and scenic parks, all within minutes of the community. Keystone Custom Homes offers our buyers some of the most modern and newly designed open floor plans like the Covington, featured as the model home in the community. Homeowners have the ability to personalize their new space with a variety of design and structural options like spacious family rooms, upgraded kitchens, and outdoor living space for entertaining. Surrounded by beautiful views and modern conveniences, Kensington is the perfect place to call home. Get started on your new home journey here at Kensington.